I'm going to take you through some of my top fashion finds to achieve the designer look for less. From handbags to accessories and chic sweaters, we are talking about designer-inspired finds that won't cost a fortune but will still make us looking just as fabulous. So let's dive into some of my favorite designer-inspired alternatives that you will absolutely love. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Faye and I make videos about my love for handbags, fashion, beauty and my life here in Stockholm. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing some of the most popular designer pieces to their affordable lookalikes. If you love luxury fashion but don't want to splurge, I've got some amazing alternatives that give you the same elevated look without breaking the bank. So let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with bags, because a good handbag can totally transform your outfit. So first up we have the COS leather bucket bag as a perfect alternative to the Loewe Flamenco Purse. If you have followed me along during the past weeks here on YouTube, I did upload a video when I tried on the flamenco bag and the COS leather purse. And the Loewe Flamenco Purse is known for its soft, slouchy silhouette and not detailing on the side. But around €2,000, it's definitely an investment piece. On the other hand, COS offers a leather bucket bag that has a very similar minimalist and structure shape with that same luxurious and simple look for just under €200. And both bags share the clean lines and modern aesthetic, but with COS you can still achieve that sophisticated vibe for a fraction of the cost. And worth mentioning though is that Loewe's leather is thicker and more substantial with a silky feel that's hard to resist once you start touching it. And if you are willing to pay for that extra luxury, then go for it. But for everyday wear and practicality, COS is for sure a strong option. Next, let's start to talk about sweater weather. One of the trendiest pieces right now is the Toteme scarf sweater, which blends coziness with elegance. But if you don't want to splurge around €700, there's a fantastic alternative that I'm obsessed with. The Toteme scarf sweater retails for around €700 and has become an Instagram favorite thanks to its built-in scarf detail and the oversized fit. And I really love how it sits and the material, because it's so soft and cozy. However, after trying it on, I was hesitating to take the splurge on this sweater and looked up a few alternatives. And then I stumbled upon the Gina Tricot version, which gives you the same chic layered look for just under €60. Both feature the integrated scarf design, making it an effortless statement piece for the winter. And with Gina Tricot you get the same style at a much friendlier price point, and it's perfect for those of us who wants the cozy vibe without the hefty price tag. However, worth mentioning is that the Toteme sweater is composed with over 60% wool and yak, which makes it warmer, and in the sweater from Gina Tricot it is only around 21% wool and alpaca. But at least there's no mohair, which means that it won't feel itchy and you won't feel the need to have an extra layer under. It will already be warm as it is with the scarf together with the sweater. So getting a sweater that contains less wool and no yak doesn't bother me too much. Now let's talk accessories. A classic belt can pull your whole look together, and we all know that Hermes Kelly Belt is an absolute iconic piece. But if you're not ready to drop major cash, I've got an amazing alternative for you. The Hermes Kelly Belt has a luxurious adjustable buckle and a slim silhouette, but at around €1,000 it's definitely pricey. And the Arket buckle leather belt offers a similar sleek design for just around €90, making it a perfect alternative. And both belts have a minimalistic look that works with anything from jeans to tailored outfits. And with the Arket belt, you adjust it by using the holes in the back. It's pretty handy and it stays secure. The Hermes Kelly Belt slides a little bit for easier adjustment, but can slip to a larger size on its own. If that doesn't bother you, then I highly recommend Hermes belt. One downside with the Arket belt is the limited color options. They just have it in black, dark brown and beige, as I have seen. But with Hermes, the range is much wider, and if you can get your hands on the color you want and the combination, I would say that it is an absolute classic piece that will never go out of style. So I'm highly recommending it. It is gold plated, so even if it scratches, the color will not tarnish, but with the Arket it will definitely do that after some time, and especially since the surface of the buckle is so even, it's easily seen if as soon as there's any small scratches on. Sorry about the lightning, by the way. It's sun and cloud just changing very quickly, so it's very hard to get the same lightning, but let's continue. Let's circle back to bags, because I know we can't get enough of them. If you've been eyeing the newly released Prada Aimee large leather bag, I would say that there is a bag that I have which I think is an incredible dupe that offers the same looks feel, and maybe you can already guess which one I want to talk about. The Prada Aimee is all about sleek sophistication with its structured design and high quality leather, but at over 3,400 euro it's quite a splurge. The Toteme large tealock bag offers a very similar aesthetic at a third of the price, around 1,000 euro, and both bags have that minimalist large tote style, making them ideal for everyday use or a polished office look. The Toteme version even features the supple tealock detail, giving it the same timeless elegant feel that you get from the Prada bag. While the Prada bag has a softer, more delicate leather, the Toteme bag is a bit more durable with thicker treated leather. It's better at resisting rain and dirt, and it even has feet underneath, which helps maintain it, and I will show it here for you. I have used these for a bit more than half a year now, and it's a bag I use so much, and it has still no color transfer, and it's quite in pristine condition. The only things that I can see so far is on the feet, that it's a little bit worn on some part of it, but the feet also helps it keep the bottom of the bag clean and not as worn, so I really like that. But if looking at the Prada Aimee bag, I would say that it is much more comfortable to wear against the body. While I tried that in store, I could feel that it molded towards my body, when I would say that the Toteme tealock bag is a little bit more bulky when trying to wear it against. But if you are thinking of investing in the Prada bag, check out the tealock bag first, I would say. And finally, let's talk jewelry. I absolutely adore the Chanel Coco Crush earrings. They are so elegant and timeless, but I have actually looked around a little bit and found a really nice budget alternatives that I will share with you guys. The Chanel Coco Crush earrings features that iconic quilted design, but they come with a 4,500 euros price tag, and the Mully collection Huggy earrings offers a similar quilted look for just around 30 euros. And I would say that they are perfect for everyday wear or special occasions, and at this price you can rock the Chanel inspired look without worrying about spending a fortune. These earrings that I bought from Mully, I'm wearing them now. I like them so much that I actually bought the same pair for my friend for her birthday. They are still of high quality as they are gold plated. And that's it for today. These are some of my top picks for designer-inspired alternatives that will have you looking luxurious without the designer price tag. And whether you are in the market for a stylish bag, a cozy sweater, or some classic accessory, I hope that you liked some of these alternatives that I showcased to achieve that high-end look for less. Let me know in the comments which of these pieces is your favorite designer dupes, and if you found any particular designer alternatives you really enjoy. If you liked this video and want to see a part 2, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay stylish, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye. In my book you wrote my favorite chapter, and when we left each other, damn.